Hi guys, welcome back. Another video. So it is that time. Yes, it's that time of the month. No, not that time. This time of the month where I get my BoxyCharm. But instead of BoxyCharm, it's BoxyLuxe, which they do 3 times a year. Well, they have a BoxyLuxe for September. This is my first time upgrading to the BoxyLuxe. I did already peek in, so I can't act like I'm so excited to see what's in here because I already know what's in here. And I'm going to tell you, I have a really bad habit of looking at the spoilers. But the way I look at it is if I look at the spoilers, then I can decide, do I want to cancel? Is that next month? Just no, and I can cancel. So that's why I do it. And looking at the spoilers, 2 of the options they were giving were 2 palettes that I happen to already own. 2 of the options were Tarte palettes, this Park Ave Princess and this Tarte. And I was really hoping I wouldn't get either one of these because I already own them. They also were offering the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. That one I wanted. I wanted that because I don't own it. Yeah, I didn't get that one. Oh well. Where was I going? Oh yeah. So it is what it is. Before I show you everything in here, I do want to say I just got an email yesterday. They're changing things up. It's starting in November. They're upping their price from $21 to $25, but the value is going to be a little more. I think it was $125. Now it's going to be $175, I think. And the cool thing is starting yesterday, you're able to pick one of the items. So they're going to have up at the top right on your page on your account, it'll say choice. You click that. They'll have 2 products and also a question mark, and you can pick one of the products or let them surprise you. So you have one choice. So I went on and I did that, and I picked the Primer Balm by Sol de something. Del Sol. This brand, Touch and Soul. This brand, I think it was. And they also had Iconic London like primer mist, illuminating primer mist. I picked the Touch and Soul priming balm. Sorry, spoiler, I guess spoiler alert, if you didn't want to know anything that was going to be in the box for next month. And also they have a new premium feature where you'll get 6 to 7 products instead of the 5 for $35 a month. You'll also get a choice. You might get more choices with that one. Or no, okay, so you'll also get a choice, one choice, and then, and you can do the BoxyLuxe every few months when they do offer the BoxyLuxe, and you get, I think, 2 to 3 choices for that one if you upgrade. So that's everything. I just wanted to give you guys that information because I just found that out yesterday. I'm like, okay, that's pretty good to know. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this box and show you what's inside, but I already know. Like I said, this is my first BoxyLuxe. I've always just done the regular BoxyCharm box. So I did get a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Angelo, which is like a pale peachy nude. I've owned this before. This is actually one of the first Stila liquid lips I bought. It doesn't look good on me. It's too pale and bright for my skin tone because I have pale skin. I don't know. It just didn't work for me. So I know that I'm going to either try to sell this because I do have a Mercari account where I do sell some makeup, or I'm going to save it for a giveaway. But the Stila liquid lips are good formula, good liquid lip. The next product is by Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. And you know, everything in here is full size. And this is the BoxyLuxe. So you get 8 products? I don't know. Okay, so that's what the bottle looks like. I love trying new masks. I love skincare. I'm obsessed with skincare. So definitely try that out. Dr. Brandt is a very good brand. Now, also, I received this Moda Studio 8-piece Pro Glam set. It has 3 face brushes, a powder, a contour, and a highlight, and then eye brushes, 5 eye brushes, shader, crease, smudger, detail, brow. I haven't opened this up, but it looks like they're really nice looking brushes. Moda is a good, I mean, I know I like Moda brushes, but the handles look really cool. Yeah, they're like black, but textured. So I'm excited about this set. I was kind of shocked when I looked on the paper and how much they retail for. But yeah, look at the handles. How cute is that? That's such a cute handle. I really like that. So this, I'm going to go at the end and tell you what everything retails for. I think that makes more sense. But yeah, so I'm happy about those. And then, okay, so I got this, which I already own, which is a great palette. I remember when this first came out, I wanted it so bad. So if I didn't own this, I would have been absolutely stoked to get it. Since I already own it, I'm going to open it and show you and swatch. I'm going to save that one for either a giveaway or to try to sell on Mercari. These are the shades. I'm just going to swatch the contours and bronzers. That's what they look like. And then do a quick swatch for you. So you can see that this will work for all different skin tones. That they're good contour and bronzing shades. They blend nicely. And I really enjoy this palette. Super excited about this product. I love serums. As I keep saying, I love skincare. And then this, I actually have a trial size of this, like a deluxe sample size that I got in, I don't know where I received it, but it's in my bathroom. It's almost used up. I like it a lot. It's a hair balm, you know, a hydrating hair balm. So this I was excited about, and I know I'll use, and I know I like this product. And my deluxe sample is all I have, and it's almost gone. And then two more. This, I don't like when the beauty boxes give you an eyeliner or a mascara, to be honest. It's just not my favorite. But this is Hank & Henry. It's a liquid eyeliner in Blackest Black, Blickety Black, Longwear liquid eyeliner. I have so many different like eyeliners that I haven't opened because I don't know. And I don't actually wear black eyeliner that often. And then the last product is Violet Voss, which is a brand I have not tried yet. So I saw that this was an option too, and I wanted this one. So at least I got one out of the two I wanted. But I have not tried this brand, and a lot of people have really good things to say about Violet Voss eyeshadows, and this is the Essential palette. There's some pretty, I think this is a good fall palette. I see fall when I look at this. So I'm excited to try out the Violet Voss formula of eyeshadow. So what I'm trying to determine is it worth it to do BoxyLuxe? I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think you get like 7 to 8. Okay, I got 8 products. In the regular BoxyCharm, you get 5, and it's 21, now 25. You upgrade for double that, but you're only getting 8 products. You can go online and see on their website the value of each box. So the value of this is much more than the value of the BoxyCharm. So I'm still debating though whether or not I'm going to upgrade the next time to the BoxyLuxe. Now I want to go over with you the products and the value of them. So the Glow Recipe Serum retails for $49. The Sleeping Mask by Dr. Brandt retails for $52. The Stila Liquid Lip retails for $22. The eyeliner retails for $20. The Hair Bomb by IGK retails for $29. The Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow 8-Pan Palette retails for $29. The Moda, this surprised me the most on the retail value. The Moda Brush Set retails for $69.99. I thought that was, wow, expensive. And then the Park Ave Princess Palette by Tarte retails for $45. So, I mean, the value's there. There's a lot of good products. I ended up spending, what, the upgrade was $28 and it was $29, so $21, so I spent, what, $50 on this box. It's worth it. I just don't know if it's worth it to upgrade from BoxyCharm to BoxyLuxe. I watch a lot of other YouTubers do their unboxings. So I don't know. I'm not decided yet, but I'm going to keep BoxyCharm. Just not sure about the upgrading, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do the premium either. The new premium upgrade they have for every month where it's $35 and you get 6 to 7 products. That's only a couple more products, but you're only paying $10 more. So I don't know. We'll see. That is everything that came in my BoxyLuxe, my first BoxyLuxe box. I'm excited to show you next month. I wish I could be more surprised when I come on here, but I cannot help myself. I always look at the spoilers. I always do it. And as soon as it comes in the mail, I say, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until I film it. I'm going to be surprised with everybody. And it never happens. I always open it and look ahead of time. I can't help it. I can't help it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm excited to see you in the next video. I really hope that you'll take the time to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. that would be awesome. Comment, give me a thumbs up. I would love that. I would appreciate it. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.